welcome back to another demolition dummy video. And I just saw like you gave me like 100 views through my series, and as promised, I got around 77,000. So we're gonna try and get the tent, and we're gonna try and do the demolition derby. And I'm just gonna quiet down the volume. Sorry. Okay, I hope this is better. And we're gonna go to car catalog, and of course we're gonna mess around. Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna play with the police. You have sirens on this. It's so cool, dude. Okay, I'm gonna chase after someone. Boom. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not gonna do booms. Police department is gonna get you. Ha! Yellow car. Oh yeah. What style is it? Okay. Let's see. Where you at? Oh. Okay, wait. Okay. That was fun, yes. And chest wrap. But we need a better car. Star. Yeah, let's do this one. Yep. Basically a Koenigsegg, so I think it looks like one. Okay. Ooh, cop, I think. No, that wasn't a cop. Okay, we're just gonna race around and pretend I'm basically Lightning McQueen. Or no, in my races, I did the reason I couldn't do any demolition derby videos is because I had to do some races. Yes, there'll be and yeah, there will be rain in the background because it's starting to rain over here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we're going. Up. Oh dear. Okay. I know this looks stupid, but it's kind of fun. Wait, I have an idea. Oh. Crash. I'm dead. I'm there. I've crashed. Oh. Okay, we need to get back in the race. Okay, it looks like everyone's going in the pit. Good, okay. Let's go. I hope you guys can just play with me here. This is all what the game's about. And I'm going fast. I just need to... They're not out yet. Okay, they're out. Okay. I am in first place. Oh, yeah. Easy, dude. Easy. Oh, my goodness. The rain is so heavy. Oh, my goodness. Someone just got destroyed back there. 3 cars are basically destroyed. Someone's coming. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Crash, big crash. Okay, last lap. Here we go. Easy, come on. It's raining so hard. Come on. Oh, yeah, I'm slipping. Drip. So it's gonna run behind me. Gotta go to like 150. Go. Yes. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna close the window because it's too rainy. Okay, guys, I'm back, and now I'm gonna do the trick. As you know, the race thingy. Hold on, this one, 10 laps, 7,000 OP. So, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. So, well, I'll see you when I cut the video, okay, guys? So, guys, I'm back, and we're gonna do another race. I'm gonna get 84K. Yeah, something like that. And if you guys hear a call coming, then it's just one of my it's just someone trying to like do something. I need to pick up another book for my test in the new house video. If you didn't check it out, just check it out. we had to do this test, and I learned German. I don't know how to speak German that very well, but I remember all the words and stuff like that for the entire day, so I passed the test. Well, we didn't even need to learn German. It was just for our assignment. You didn't need to do. It was a math test, but you need to learn German for our, not our assignment, not our, like our test, but for our homework basically. Okay. And remember, 100 subs, and I will do a voice review. You have two options: 10,000 views in this month. No, not in this month. Sorry. 1,000 views by 1,000 views at the end of this month. If not, 2,000 views at the end of next month, or 100 subscribers, and I will do a voice reveal. If you get me to 10,000 subscribers, I will do a face review. I will do a face review. I am not joking with you guys. So that is that. As you can see, we basically finished the race, which is good. I just need to check how much time this is taking. Actually, I can't check. So, yeah. I've noticed that you always watch my demolition derby videos. So, yeah. We have to do, I'll do one more race, and then we'll do a demolition. So, I'll see you guys when I finish this race, and then we'll do a demolition for 2,500. So, see you then, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back, and we're gonna do the demolition for 2,500, and this will get us a tank. Oh shoot! Okay, I gotta go back. We're gonna use, Gary. So we're gonna use the school bus. As you remember, last video we got the school bus. Well, no, I don't know when we got the school bus, but we have the school bus. So let's race. Okay. This did OP damage, but we came second for some reason. Oh, there's no school bus. Okay. And I will stick with you guys. And as again, if you hear a phone ring, it's probably because I need to pick up some more books from the bookstore. And if you don't know what the bookstore, watch my new video about the new house. Okay, guys? Please just do that. Oh, dude, I hate lag. Who hates lag? Everyone hates lag. That's who hates lag. Everyone hates lag except for the Laginator. Called Rixie. Mixie. Yeah. So he's the one who doesn't hate lag. Yeah, someone's gonna get destroyed soon. Now we're gonna do the biggest impact you're gonna ever see in this game. You ready? Cause here we go, baby. Okay, that was not a big impact at all. No. Damn Ruda Padu, damn Voodoo Hoodoo Benny, damn me Scotty, and do the hoop, the Roo Petty. And if you want, guys, I will do a music video. Like a I know that's crazy, guys, but I might do that. Cause I'm pretty good at singing, as you saw in that demonstration. Okay, guys, here we go. Easy win. How is this dude? Like, jeez. Okay. I am like pretty red, so I need to get out. And I can't do this anymore. My car is extremely red. Ah. Now it's just all about speed. As you know, force equals mass times acceleration, and this got a lot of mass, and now we need to build up a lot of speed. That tiny car, it don't got mass. Okay, well at least we got the tank now. We got 100K. Yes. Okay, guys. So we're buying the tank. No way. We have the tank, and I just want to know: can you change color? Okay, no, you can't. Can you change wheel? No, you can't. And you don't gotta know. It's okay. It's just a tank. So yeah, okay, let's just play. You know what we're doing. We're gonna destroy everyone. I hate lag. Stupid lag. Lag. Okay. Oh. Okay. I don't know what's happening, but lag. What the? Okay, this is so weird. What? Okay, guys. This is so weird. Okay. This is so weird. Okay. I think I know what's wrong. Okay. We're gonna do this. Have this. Okay, guys. Okay. 20-minute video, basically. Oh, no, not 20 minutes. Okay. 5. We'll do 5 and see how that goes. What's wrong? Bruh. What is happening? Okay, guys. I'm going to end off the episode here. I'm sorry about that. But we will use the tank in the next episode, so bye.